Let's begin with our guest of the hour, Trader Cobb. Any last advice to our crypto family out there, to the Token Metrics family out there? Any last words of wisdom?
Yeah, it's been a really hard year. A lot of people are going through a lot of tough mental situations. It's really important to be friendly. All right. Jumping online and abusing somebody, it's not a good thing to do. These people have feelings. These people will get hurt. Call your friends, check that they're okay. Call your mom, call your dad, call your grandmother, call your cousins, call people, say, hey, you okay? Have that open dialogue. If you're not okay, get the help, call your friends. It's okay to not be okay. Speak to people, be involved in the health of our community. And it starts with your own self and your own friends. That's the only bit of advice that I've got. I think people need to be more nice to each other, look after each other. And if you want to learn more about trading, then like I say, we've got the brand new course. It's all brand spanking new. So be patient if it's not working properly. Go to tradercobb.com. It's free as a bird, but more importantly, look after your friends and family.
Well said. Well said. Yeah. I mean, so to our audience, we're always getting the question of, hey, where can we learn how to trade? Right. I mean, obviously we have our channel, but I think having diversity and opinion from people who are qualified, like Bill and Cobb as well, right? So definitely recommend go check out his content, his channel, subscribe, and tell him we sent you. And then Bill, any last words of wisdom to our Token Metrics family?
All right. Well, following on what Craig said, we have hashtag crypto family, and we don't just say it, we mean it. In this world, the situation, it's very easy to get disconnected from other people, from the world that's at large, and even from yourself. So how can we help you solve this problem? Well, I remember when I went to crypto conventions and I knew nothing, and I would say hello to people. And just because I was interested in crypto, they were interested in being my friend. Crypto is a great place to make new friends. And if it's a scary world and you can make new friends and possibly learn something and possibly empower yourself with some economic freedom, try crypto. Make a crypto friend.
Awesome. Love it. Love it. So my final words are, we're now in Q4 of the year, right? Fourth quarter, crunch time, right? So, but also look forward into next year, right? Begin prepping for next year right now. Whether you want to go full-time into crypto, don't just wait on it, plan it out now. Or whether you want to begin your own business in crypto or what have you, whatever goals you have for next year, begin thinking about them now and make sure that by the time you segue into 2021, you're ready, right? Because as mentioned in the beginning of the show, we're basically going to enter a whole new world. We're already in a post-pandemic world, but we could be having a new president here in the US. How is that going to affect you? Whether you're an investor, a trader, it doesn't matter what your politics are, but look ahead and try to kind of have a plan A and a plan B, right? So for me, for example, I'm in the process of looking to move, right? I'm not waiting for next year. I've been kind of going to Florida. Now I'm currently in Texas. I might be going to New York as well, right? I would just say, take the time to plan ahead, right? Earlier, Trader Cobb said, when it comes to trading, always have a plan. Well, when it comes to your life, always have a plan. And I think that's fared me well. I think it's fared everyone here as well. Always have a plan with your life. And as usual, we enjoy having you here every Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern time on our Token Metrics Roundtable and live stream, Crypto Family. And as we like to say, the moon is not the limit, to the moon and beyond. Thank you, everyone. See you next time. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share the stream with your friend. Get the word out there. Crypto is here to stay.